'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to refresh the guest bedroom. I just wanted to make it look a little bit more summer appropriate. So I'm starting off with the bed, and look at Uriah's cute little Mickey blanket and pillow. Sometimes during the day he'll nap down here, so that's why that's there. So yeah, I'm just starting off by taking all of the sheets off the bed, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw those in the washer.
Decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so
and I love to use the Lysol laundry sanitizer. It's really great because it helps kill bacteria that might cause illness. So I like to use it on my sheets and things like that. And to make sure that everything keeps a nice clean smell, I always like to spray a little bit of air freshener on the mattress.
wait a minute, let me make up for the wrongs I did.
So I do like to keep a few sets of sheets. That way, if I'm washing a set and I want to go ahead and make the bed, I can do that. But I got these sheets off Amazon, and the quality is really great, you guys, and they're really affordable. So I will have a link below in case you guys want to check them out. I've washed these sheets several times, and as you guys can tell, they're still really white, they're clean, you know, there's not any beading on them. So yeah, these are really great quality sheets.
So tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you, start all over. Tell me now.
And because we have the same kind of teal aqua color in the living room, I figured that it would make sense to do it in the guest bedroom, especially since you can see this room from the living room. And the quilt, I think I got it from either TJ Maxx or Home Goods, but I'm pretty sure that they have something similar on Amazon because I have ordered different quilts like this from there. So if I can find one, I will link it below.
But I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me?
And you guys probably know that I love me some pillows. I love to put them on the bed because it really just helps spruce it up a little bit. So the fuzzy ones are from TJ Maxx, and the other ones I got from either Overstock or Z Gallery, but I don't think they have them anymore. And I was gonna add that throw, but it just didn't look good, so yeah.
Don't go, just leave. No stay with me.
I'm gonna go ahead and clean off all of the mirrored furniture with my spray away glass cleaner. If you haven't tried it, then girl, I'm telling you, get your life. It's the best glass cleaner that I have ever used in my life.
I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all.
definitely still a work in progress. I still have a lot of things that I need to do in here. I really need to find a piece of art to go over the fireplace. This one that I have, it was just from the old house and it doesn't really match, so that's why I haven't hung it up or anything. I just put it there temporarily. I still need to add some stuff to the shelves. Need to replace the little brackets on the shelves, need to replace the brass colored handles. So yeah, I still have a lot of stuff that I need to do in this space, but I'm definitely taking my time because I want to make sure that I just really like the stuff that I decide to buy. So now I'm going to be bringing in all of the stuff that I picked up from TJ Maxx. So I really wanted to add a pop of yellow to this room. I thought that yellow would go really great with the teal color, so I just picked up the lemon tree and a few yellow orange type colors and the sunflowers. So yeah, I just bought a few things to just kind of spruce the space up a little bit.
Feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we mess up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanna.
And at the time, TJ Maxx was actually having a sale on all of their summer fragrance candles, so I'm not sure if that's still going on. It probably is. I'm thinking that they were just trying to clear some of the summer ones out for fall season and all of that. So yeah, I was able to get a really good deal on the Yankee candles because normally they're pretty expensive, but they did have them discounted.
Yeah, I don't want no other, 'cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up, right, sugar?
And y'all, I have had this mirrored furniture forever. I remember saving up and buying it. So if you've been around since I got like the Hayward vanity and all of that, then you are definitely an OG. That was one of the first vanities that I ever bought. But anyway, so now I'm just going over the floor, vacuuming everything. That's normally the last thing I like to do, just to make sure that I get everything out the floor.
Oh yeah, I don't wanna be a memory, just another memory. Can we go back? Oh.
Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like these type of clean and decorate with me videos, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below so I can know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!